Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Hi, my name is Danielle from airfryers.com, and I'm here to introduce you to the KITCHER Air Fryer 6501. If you've been looking for a way to maximize the time you spend cooking, this device was designed to give you the quality you love in a fraction of the time with a fraction of the calories. The 6501 model by KITCHER is the ultimate air fryer for anyone looking to cook larger quantities of food. Whether you're cooking for family, friends, or need to prep extra food for yourself, the 6.8 quart basket offers you the space you need and comfortably feeds 4 to 5 adults. In addition to its high-capacity basket, this model features a user-friendly digital display screen, allowing you to choose between strategically preset cooking options or choosing your own time and temperature settings. The presets allow you to cook a variety of popular dishes at the press of a single button. This model operates at temperatures up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Your time and health are valuable, and what you cook with should work with you, not against you. Using rapid air circulation technology, the air fryer is able to give you the taste and appearance of fried food without the added calories of cooking with oil. The heating mechanism is also what allows your food to cook in a fraction of the time of a traditional oven. That's why the KITCHER 6501 is the ultimate air fryer for your cooking needs. The air fryer allows you to bake, roast, fry, reheat, dehydrate, and broil. To show you just how easy it is to create the perfect meal, I'm going to show you how to make chicken with all the flavor and none of the hassle. Once you've seasoned the food to your liking, open the KITCHER air fryer basket and place your food in the crisper tray. This tray is designed to get your food perfectly cooked from top to bottom. Once your food is in the air fryer, press the on button and choose from one of the presets, or you can easily adjust the air fryer to operate at your own desired time and temperature. No need to wait for any preheating. This air fryer heats up within seconds. Make sure you flip your food once, about halfway through cooking. Unlike a traditional oven that continues to cook after time has elapsed, this air fryer will automatically stop cooking at the end of your timer. This model also features an auto-off safety mode that kicks on when you pull the basket apart from the unit. Kids that may accidentally mess with or adjust the air fryer will therefore not be harmed. This air fryer also comes with its very own cookbook. Enjoy 50 air fryer-specific recipes with tips and tricks on how to perfect your meals. You can enjoy a variety of recipes, from appetizers to full-course meals for every type of diet. The KITCHER 6501 cleans easily with its detachable crisper tray, and the fryer basket is dishwasher safe. The stainless steel exterior and non-stick coated interior make cleaning easier than ever. You can easily wipe out any cooking debris found in the area where the fry basket sits. The sleek design and stainless steel finish makes this air fryer the perfect addition to your countertop. It's the perfect gift for meal preppers, foodies, and anyone looking to save time and eat healthier.